Hey kiddos, factors and multiples. I know we've went through this before in class, but the next few weeks I want to go back through and do some reviewing of some different things before we move on to anything else that might be new. So we're going to go from there. All right, as a matter of factors are numbers that we multiply together to get another number. Examples, 3 multiplied by 4, 3 and 4 are the factors. We can say that 3 and 4 are the factors of 12, right? Because if you multiply 3 multiplied by 4, you get the answer of 12, and that means that 3 and 4 are also considered factors of 12. What are some other factors of 12? Well, think of some other factors. What other numbers can you multiply to get 12? Think about that. Yeah, you could multiply 2 multiplied by 6. Those would also be factors of 12. How about 1 multiplied by 12? Because that answer would also be 12, right, kiddos? Here are all the factors of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. That's a lot of factors. I bet a big number like 94 has bazillion factors. So do you think it has a bazillion factors, do you think? Or do you think I'm just kind of kidding? I think I'm kidding too. A bazillion's a pretty big number. Now, match factor pairs that multiply together to equal 24. 1 multiplied by 24 equals 24, so that's a factor pair, right? 3 multiplied by 8, it would also be a factor pair to get 24. 2 multiplied by 12, 4 multiplied by 6, right, kiddos? So those are factor pairs to get the answer of 24. To be or not to be a multiple. Multiples are numbers that we land on when we are skip counting. Multiples can be listed in a series. So the multiples are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, and 49. It's like when we are skip counting, right, kiddos? So we would be skip counting by 7s here. See that? 7 more is 14, 7 more is 21, and so on and so on. Because they're showing how we would figure that out. 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. 7 multiplied by 4, 28. 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. 7 multiplied by 6 is 42. And 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. Practice makes perfect, right? That goes straight with our growth mindset, right, kiddos? Using factor rainbows, list all of the factor pairs for the following number. Also include the first 5 multiples of the number. Well, let's see what they're thinking here. So 1 multiplied by 20 is 20. 2 multiplied by 10 is 20, and 4 multiplied by 5 is also 20, right, kiddos? So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Those would be the first 5 multiples of the number, right? 20 multiplied by 1, 20 multiplied by 2, 20 multiplied by 3, 20 multiplied by 4, and 20 multiplied by 5. What number am I? I have 4 factors, and some of my multiples are 12, 18, 24, and 30. Interesting. Did you guys get it? The answer was 6, right? 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. And 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. All right, kiddos. So that's all we're going to do with this video today. I will be doing some other ones a little bit later and to go through a few other things.